going on, my YouTube family? Hope you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, all good things, guys. Today, I actually received the closing. Yes, that's when the Cuban comes out, guys. I can't do nothing about it. The closing of Supreme to match with the world famous AM1 just released, guys. Remember, I started the video on the actual review of this sneaker saying, you know, I was a little disappointed that the clothing didn't get here. Coincidentally, because you know how things work in this life, the following day I get the clothing. I said, man, I should have just waited. But hey, what are you gonna know about it when in reality the shoelaces are all loose right now on the shoes? Haven't you noticed that always happens to me? It don't matter what I do, they're super tied up. They always have to come loose in front of the camera. Make me look stupid over here. It don't matter. It is what it is. Who cares? Guys, let's get straight into these bad boys right here. If you guys got any of the pieces, I don't think out of the size of this box, all the pieces are in here because I'm still missing the hoodie. Let's see, guys. Let's check it out first. You already know. Cleaver in hand. It is what it is. Pull the massive cleaver. The massive cleaver. Let's do this, guys. I'm doing it by the back because the front has all the decals, all the addresses, and I don't want the crazies to be chasing me down or something like that. You know how it is up in the media, guys. Look. Yes, yes. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. Supreme! That's Deuce. That's Deuce. Now, by the way, talking about Supreme, I got some Hita Nina Vintage Supreme coming up soon. You guys got to keep the eye open on that one. It's going to be nice. It's going to be a good one. All right, here we go. Yeah, just like I thought, this hoodie wasn't in here. Whatever. Once I get the hoodie, guys, I'll just post it up for you guys with the other vintage Supreme that I actually received. And here it is, guys, the first one. You already know, if you're old school Supreme, you already know this already. But if you're gonna get into Supreme, then if it comes in this little bag right here, the Supreme bag, that means it's the higher grade quality ones, the one that goes on tops and sweatshirts. That one right there, guys. And it usually comes with the little decal. So the regular t-shirts come in the little chipilingi, the chipilingi, guys. Okay, go the chipilingi nylon, you know. And yes, I got the hat right here, guys. Of course, I'll give you guys the footages right there while I'm showing it to you, and I'll show you how they fit. Let's open these bad boys right here. I'm still stuck with the box. Check it out. Let's check it out. Yes. Very, very, very good quality, guys. Very nice quality. Man. I don't know how people still talk crap about Supreme, but hey, it is what it is. You know how people are, guys. You got some spoiled brats out there wearing the Supreme and giving it a bad name, and automatically everybody wants to hate Supreme. No, man. Let's keep it G, bro. Let's keep it G. There it is, guys. The font right there. This one ain't sewn on, guys. This was actually printed, but very good printing. Of course, Supreme style. You know, the printing is really good. The GSM on the shirt is over 220 guaranteed, guys. This is some thick cloth right here. And I did get it a size large. You guys will see the sizing now. Let me first show you the actual shirt and all that. So besides the actual print, very nice, like in a graffiti style, very beautiful. I like it a lot. It's the whole point of this line to match with the actual shoes. I'll put them side by side so you guys can see it. Very nice. The quality on the t-shirt, as I said, very, very good. And it has the red label inside. That it's another difference between the regular t-shirts and the higher quality t-shirts. This comes with a red tag. The lower version or lower scale, lower quality, whatever you guys want to call it, that goes between 40 to 50 bucks. That's the one that's actually, you know, with a regular white tag, and usually is made in the United States. This one is actually made in Turkey, just so you guys to know. Sometimes I've gotten them made in Guatemala. I've gotten them made in, what's that other place? I think Portugal, something like that, something like Represent. But this one is actually made in Turkey. Very nice. And all the way in the bottom of the actual t-shirt. You see the tag right there. Very nice, pretty stiff. That thing is pretty stiff right there. You can poke an eye out with the corners on this thing. It says Supreme size large, and in the bottom, nice and printed, small letters, it says quality garments. Nothing in the back, guys. Nothing in the back. Right there, you guys can see it, how it fits on me. I'm 172 pounds. I haven't weighed myself in a while, but 172 pounds is the last time I weighed myself. And it is a size large. Very great fitting. I personally like the oversized fit. I can't be rocking all that tight stuff, dog. I'm old school. I don't like none of that. These cats be looking like un tamal, you know what I'm saying? A hot tamale, not good. That's the English way. The real way, un tamal frito, una croqueta cochina, you know what I'm saying? The kind that the kids squash like that, a croquette. You guys get the point, what the hell I'm trying to say. And now, let's get into the hat, guys. This I'm actually waiting for. Oh, bro, no way. They sent me the wrong size hat. No way, man. Oh, a 7/1/4. I'm a 7.5, 7/3/8. Oh, shit. This is not gonna fit me. I really doubt this is gonna fit me. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. Damn, this is a tight son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to buy one of those stretchers on it. Oh man. Yeah, guys, it did not fit whatsoever. I have to do the swap real quick because I do not like being seen without a hat. If people have been following me this channel, I've been wearing hats for now going in approximately 29 years. I've never taken off my hat, only to go to sleep. Go look at all my social media, go look at everything. I don't take off my hat for no one. It ain't gonna happen. That is very trusted people. That's it. I mean, I keep going with that because I know the questions are gonna have, oh, why ain't you wearing, why didn't you take off your hat, bro? What happened? Yeah, no. I'm not gonna get into that. Let's get into the hat. This is the better part. As you guys can see it right there, it's like a whole skeletal structure around the Supreme logo. Very nice, but this is not like a human structure. It doesn't look like a human skeletal structure because the top, it has these two little horns there. I don't know if it's like for a dog or I don't know what the hell it is. And if it is a human, I have totally lost the track of human anatomy. So if it is, let me know. It doesn't look like a human skeletal structure, but it is what it is. So like I was saying, it's very, very nice sewn on. And the sewing actually goes into the lid of the hat. Right there on the left side, you see the actual New Era logo in white. And in the back, world famous, just like the sneakers, guys. There it is right there. Very nice, matching. I make sure to match the actual shirt, the hat, everything with the actual sneaker. And yes, guys, I am planning on getting the purple and the yellow and the white ones. I think I am before this thing goes out of control. A lot of people that are in the inside and certain sources say that these shoes are not going to be made again. So, like, you got to take advantage of it. But now I'm going to get into a little controversial topic over here that they actually talk about this shoe. There's people saying that this shoe is too simplistic, that it's no big deal. Guys, I really do not understand humanity sometimes. I'm never going to understand them. Odds are maybe you won't even understand them either. I don't know how they call this sneaker so simplistic. Maybe because it has a lot of black, or maybe it's all yellow or purple. I don't know what it is, but it has a dot swoosh. It has the 1994 in the front right there. It has the badge. It has the nice tag in the top. It has the Nike swoosh with the snakeskin print. And it has world famous sewn on all the way to the back. And in the back of the sole, it says Supreme. And the insole says Supreme with Nike. Beautiful, great quality, the whole shebang. A lot of details and a beautiful sneaker per se. They call this simplistic. Once again, everybody has the rights to say whatever they want to say. Hey, I'm 100% believer in freedom of speech. You can say whatever you want. If you believe in that, hey bro, you believe that this is super simple. But here's the part that bothers me a little bit. That the patterns that are all green with a little bit of gray, a little dot swoosh, The thing right here, nothing in the back, nothing like that, nothing on the midsole, nothing. Oh, that is the biggest thing in the world. But this is too simple, and it's nothing but another Air Max 1 with a simple colorway. That's the type of things right there that kind of annoys me of people. Is it that you hate Supreme and you gotta talk smack about it? Because I'm sorry to say, the Pata iconic one, the most iconic Pata, oh my God, it's really no much of a big deal to this. Let's go to the first AM1 Patas, the ones with the wavy. I have them right there. I'll show you little images. That one looks very unique. I can understand that. But now the chlorophyll one, the one with the green, everybody crave about it. Everybody, oh my God. But this one, no, this is too simple. I just think personally, guys, if you hear that out there or you see a reviewer saying it, I personally think it's just hatred against Supreme. It is what it is. They're just being biased. It is what it is, man. Because more details and more of a beautiful sneaker and quality of that shoe, I don't know what do you want out there? A dodo just popping out of the front? I don't know. Whatever. Once again, I'm gonna leave it like that. No, and I'm not gonna blur it out because I'm just saying the truth over here. So yes, guys, there you guys have it. The t-shirt, the hat. When I get the hoodie, I'll just do it with the vintage Supreme that I'm getting and all that stuff. I'll bring it to you guys, matching with the hat, the whole shebang, guys. The little leaf is going all over the place over here, that little thing. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace. Whoosh.